If you've tried to use your Nigerian Naira card to make payment online, maybe take for instance, you want to buy a hosting account or you want to make payment online, you discover that Naira is no longer accepted. You try to boost your Facebook page, or you try to boost a post, or you try to make a purchase of something online, you see that Naira card is no longer accepted. If you are in this category, you cannot use your card to make payment online, don't worry. I'm going to teach you how you can create an online virtual USD card, which you can be using to be making your online payment. Now, for the record, this is free of charge. You are not paying for it. What you are just paying for is for the card. Yeah, I want you to go to Play Store and go and type cheaper cash. Just type cheaper cash like this. Then you want to install it. Look at this first one. You want to install this very one. This is cheaper cash. So once you install it, you are going to come to your cheaper cash dashboard. So once you install it, you are going to come to your cheaper cash dashboard. So this is what you will be using to make payment online. Yeah, so as you can see, I've been using to make payment online. I'm a web developer, so I use it to make payment online. In fact, right now you can even use it to receive money from abroad. You understand? So if you are here, the first thing is for you to create an account. Like I said, download the app, create an account, then come to this place. So once you come to this place, you are going to do some verification. So before you can do anything, you must verify your account. As you can see, my account is already verified. So if you don't have an account yet, so you are going to verify your account, then you are going to submit your documentations. Yeah, you are going to submit your documentation, your BVN. Don't worry, it is what it is, legit. They are not fake. I've been using them for the past 2 years, and this is what I use in making payment online. So once you are here, you are going to what, verify your account. So before you can apply for your USD card, yeah, before you can apply for your USD card like this, so you need to verify your account first. As you can see, I have my Naira account and I want to reapply for USD card. Now the price for the USD card right now, it has been reduced to $3. It has been reduced to $3, which is 3,000, maybe 100 naira or 200 naira. So if you want to start using, or you want to be making payment online with your virtual dollar card, then you are in the right place. So but before you can do this, you must verify your account, then ask for your normal Naira account, because what you use the Naira account to do, you deposit on the Naira account, then you convert it to your dollar account. So if I click here like this, you see that if I click account, you see that I have two accounts. I have my Naira account and I have my USD account. As it is like this, I can even receive money directly to my US account like this. I can receive money directly to my account and I can withdraw it to my bank account. Now, if you check my Naira, this is my Naira card. So this is where you make your deposit. You copy this your account, you make deposit inside. Immediately you make deposit inside, then your money is going to appear on your account here. Your money is going to appear on your account here, which is Naira. So once it appears here, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come to this card, click on card and click on claim USD card. Remember, you must have up to $3. In Naira, you must have up to 3 plus. But if you are not in Nigeria, maybe Ghana, anywhere, you must have up to $3 before you can apply for the card. So immediately you have up to $3, all you need to do is click on this claim USD card. Now, once you click on claim USD card, you need to do some verification if you've not done it, like your ID card, your address, and your phone number. As you can see, my own has been approved. So once you are done, you click on next. If you don't have sufficient money in your account, it will tell you this: you don't have sufficient money, because you need to have sufficient money. Then once you have sufficient money, it's going to create your dollar account. Like as I told you before, I have been using them. If you check my transaction, you see that I have made so many payments. I have used my card. I have been using them for the past 2 years. So if you are a makeup artist, you are a web developer, or anything you want to make payment online, then I would advise you go and create cheaper cash visual USD card, so that you can start making them, or so that you can start making use of them to make your payment online. If you found value in this video, please, I want to smash the like button, share this video, because someone else needs this video. Share it to them and let them see it.